So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first $500 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now you see why I chose the number 500, because if you want to make over $10,000 per month with Clickbank or any other affiliate network out there, right? You have to choose the proper number, right? You have to choose a number that's going to enable you to have the, let's say, lifestyle or the life that you want, you desire, right? It's going to pay for everything you want, right? So the number one thing with Clickbank affiliate marketing is this. You have to keep in mind, first of all, what kind of traffic sources are you using? Are you using organic traffic, free traffic, right? Or are you using paid traffic, which is like Google ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, or let's say Google ads, right? So you have many different traffic sources, and now you have to decide based upon your investment, right? How much can you afford spending in time and money, right? So if you can afford, let's say, 1 hour or 2 hours per week, then if you have, let's say, $25 to $50 per day, then in that case, you could potentially make $5,000 per month with affiliate marketing or even more, right? So the first thing you have to consider is this: the traffic source, right? Which source you're going to use. Because let's say if you use Google ads, right? The Google ads are really great based on intent. What do I mean by intent? Intent is this, right? Let's say that I'm looking to buy sunglasses, right? So I go on Google and I already know I want sunglasses, so I know which brand of sunglasses do I want, right? So I will go on Google and type in the keyword search engine. I will write the exact brand of the sunglasses I want to buy, right? I want to purchase as a customer. So if let's say that I stumble upon your website or your blog, whatever you have, right, promoting sunglasses, and I see that you have a good review page or you have the good, let's say, testimonials, whatever, right, about the sunglasses, I'm going to purchase it from you as an affiliate, right? So you're going to earn huge commissions as an affiliate. So in this case, you have to consider what kind of traffic source you're using, who is your audience, what do they want, and what are their pain points, problems, and what kind of solutions they are looking for, right? So in this video, I'm going to give you exact step-by-step method that's going to help you to get results with affiliate marketing. So we say traffic source, right? In this case, Google Ads. Next thing is product pricing. So I suggest you, if you're doing, let's say, any kind of digital or Clickbank affiliate marketing, choose the offer that's going to pay you at least $100 per sale. Why 100? It's not a magic number, right? But 100 means that it's going to help you to make $1,000 or $500 per day much more easier if let's say you're promoting a $20 product, right? If in case you're promoting a $20 product, this means you need, let's say, 5 sales of $20 per day to make $100 per day. But if you have one product making you $100 per sale, then it means you need only one sale a day to make, let's say, $3,000 per month, right? Or $2 per sale to make $6,000 per month, or 3 sales, let's say, to make $12,000 per month. So you have to choose the right offer, the right quality offer, right? With the right upsell take rate. What is upsell take rate? Let's say I buy sunglasses, right? I buy sunglasses for 200 euros, right? I paid 200 euros to buy these sunglasses, and let's say 1 week after that, the same company offers me a hat for $500, right? Or $300. Because I already bought these sunglasses from the same brand, it's most likely I'm going to buy something else from the same brand again, right? So it's a smart idea to choose the product that has a great upsell take rate, right? In this case, in Clickbank, you have like products for $50, $100, $500, even $5,000, right? So it depends on you. Another thing is to be positioned as an authority in your niche, right? Most of courses you buy, most of gurus out there, right, are selling you the idea of you can buy this course, just implement step-by-step system and you're going to be successful. It doesn't work like that. It's mostly a scam. So what you have to understand is you need someone to guide you, right? to show you the ropes step by step, right? Let me ask you this: what is better, watching videos at home, sitting through a damn 8-week course, or having a real person, for example me, showing you step by step exactly what to do, doing it with you together, right? I think you get idea now as you're watching this video and as you're listening to my voice right now. So yes, if you want to have this, let's say $1,000 or $500 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing, then you have to have someone to guide you through each step of the way. So as you're watching this video right now, you begin to understand that you need to have someone to show you the ropes step by step, to give you the website, right? So in this case, I'm giving you the website, I'm giving you a professional website, I'm giving you done for you affiliate, ad copy, targeting details, right? Everything what you need to succeed to have your first, let's say €100 or I don't know, Canadian dollars per day, right? So as you're watching this video, and if you want to have results with Clickbank affiliate marketing, let me know. Below this video there will be links to my social media accounts, to my email, to my WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever you want. We can connect on, even on Facebook. So do let me know. Below this video there will be links, and if you're serious, and I think you are serious because you're watching this video right now, I'm going to give you done for you traffic source and also extra 100 buyers clicks to your affiliate link. So thank you for watching this video, and if you're serious, and I think you are, click the link below these videos, connect with me one-on-one personal, because I believe in personal human touch, human relationships. So let me know, and please subscribe somewhere above this video to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.